In this episode of Teslacam Stories.
Yes, sir. Reading you loud and clear. Clear. The clock has started.
The clock has started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
This video was taken by a parked Model 3 in the California beach town of Coronado and sent in by an anonymous submitter. This clip perfectly explains why you shouldn't text and bike. Fortunately, it looks like she mostly avoided damaging the car, and she didn't appear to be hurt very seriously. In the next clip, we see her dusting off her knees. This video was sent in by David Thompson and took place on the Sam Houston Tollway in Houston, Texas. Here we see a white Chevy pickup hauling a trailer merging onto the tollway. There's a silver Dodge pickup tailgating it so closely that the Chevy driver probably never saw it. The on-ramp lane then becomes an exit-only lane, and the Dodge changes lanes to the left but stays in the Chevy's huge trailer-induced blind spot. The Chevy then merges to the left to stay on the tollway and almost hits the Dodge, which moves left again. Then the Dodge very aggressively speeds ahead of the Chevy and swerves in front of it, almost clipping it, and brake checks it. This could have ended pretty badly. Who knows how heavily loaded that trailer was? Don't tailgate or brake check trailers. And remember, if you can't see their mirrors, they can't see you. This video was sent in by Mark in Michigan. This incident happened at his work, and he says that's the only reason he was able to catch this guy. He was able to tell the make and model of the vehicle and found the beat-up Toyota Sienna in his company's parking lot a few days after this happened. Mark got the Toyota's VIN and gave it to his insurance company. They told him that he could either seek compensation from them or from the Toyota owner. After contacting the Toyota owner's insurance and sending them this video, they covered the repair bill to the tune of $717. The insurance company also said they could have found him using his license plate number, but a VIN gets faster and more accurate results. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry Mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. This video was sent in by Wes Johnston from South Carolina. FedEx, when it absolutely positively has to be there overnight. Wes also sent in this video. Take a look at this traffic light. Make sure you look twice before hammering down all that Tesla torque at the next green light. This video was sent in by Louis Umfenauer, and here we see him driving in Long Beach, California. When he approaches this intersection, this happens. Autopilot wasn't involved in avoiding an accident. This was all Louis. Louis also sent in this video demonstrating the love for Teslas that pickup drivers are famous for. Louis says he guesses he wasn't going fast enough for this large pickup truck. There are 2 lanes to enter the freeway, and Louis was in the right lane. The pickup driver passed Louis in the left lane, and then to show his displeasure, he crossed into Louis's lane instead of staying in his own. If you liked this video, please share, like, and subscribe.